We want to ping PC2 from PC1. We have the IP packet with the IP address of PC2 as the IP destination address. PC1 will do a lookup in its routing table. It will see that the IP packet has to go out on Ethernet interface 0. PC1 will do yet another lookup, and that will be in its ARP table. It will see that the IP address 101 is on this MAC address. PC1 will fill in the MAC address of PC2. PC1 also fills in its own MAC address as the source MAC address. The IP pack is now packed into an Ethernet frame. PC1 will send out frame to router 1, and a copy of the frame will be received at PC2. PC2 will see a destination MAC address match and say, this is for me. Router 1 will see that there is not a match, and router 1 will discard the frame. PC2 will also check that the IP address is actually the IP address of PC2. PC2 has now received and accepted the ping request. If we want to ping 8.8.8.8 from PC1, PC1 will do a lookup in its routing table. It will see that the IP packet has to go to 1056.16.1, the gateway. PC1 will do yet another lookup, namely in its ARP table. It will see that the gateway MAC address is here. It will fill in the MAC address into the frame. PC1 will send the frame out on ETH0 according to the routing table. It will send a copy to all participants. PC2 will see by the MAC address that this is not for me, and PC2 will discard this frame. The router will see that the destination address is its destination address and accept the frame. The router will see by the destination IP address that this is not for the router itself. The router will use its routing table, which is not shown here, to route the 8.8.8.8 package further on towards its destination.